Opening a coconut can be tricky business, so you need proper tools. I'm not 100% sure how this is going to go, so you're going to have to bear with me. First thing you need to do, you've got the 3 little dimples on the back of the coconut. 2 of them are fairly soft, so you need to find the 2 soft ones. And using a screwdriver or something sharp, you need to just push through. Okay, so there you go. And you'll find that you get into one of them fairly quickly. So once you've got your 2 holes pierced, you just need to empty that lovely milk out. There you go, look how much milk you get out of a coconut. It's cool, isn't it? Okay, then the next thing you want to do is obviously break into it. You can either use a hammer, or what I like to use is my dad's machete. So what you want to do is just tap and turn it round, and you'll get a little hairline cracks appearing. And it's got a certain soft spot that once you get it, there you go, see? You can hear it from the sound. Now be careful, obviously, you don't want to do yourself any injuries. But you see, there you go. You get into your coconut that way. Another thing you can do, which helps to get the flesh away from the outside bit, is you can freeze your coconut first, and that just makes the inside come away much more easily. But that's how you break into a coconut. Now, I didn't make that look very easy or safe. So if you've got a better way of doing it, then please send me your videos and I will link to it from my channel.